Putik na yun, ah. Tinan nyo. Wait lang. May na kami bagong TV. Yan. Nandito pa sa kwarto ko. Please. Hindi yan. Yan. Ganun kaya. Muse Asia tayo. Ip. Yo, hindi yan. Ay, Nutella. Nandito pala si Nutella, ah. Ano ba ito? Ang tagal. Yan.
Out of control ba ng presyo ng bilihin? Nasa kamay mo tayo ng Magic Sarap. All-in-one sa sangkap. Kaya di na kailangan ng iba. All-in-one sa sarap. All you want, nasa all-in-one Magic Sarap. What Maggie?
Nagagana rin. Ano ba ito putik? Ano ba ito putik na to?
President, I have an idea. I know how to end world hunger. Ban starving.
Wait a damn minute.
Wait a damn minute! Hold on a second.
Cut the cameras, dead ass. Ma'am, I just ran the numbers. And according to my calculations, if people stop starving, then the starving rate will go way down.
Alright, class, my name is Ben Dover, and I'll be your substitute today. Man, shut your ass up. Oh, nah. Shit, tripping. I'm gonna make sure I leave a note for the teacher about you. Already wrote it. Nah. Alright, I'm gonna call your mom then. Oh.
Here's a number. Psych! That's the wrong number!
Nah, shit, tripping. You know what? I'm gonna go and get the principal. He's right here. I'm gonna call the police. I already called them. They're on their way. Nah. I quit.
I know. So hey, guess what? What? Somebody doesn't want you to be alive anymore, they decided. Oh. Don't tell him. Oh, well, I already did that. So anyway, they paid me to make sure that happens to you and fast.